Hey everybody, so this video was going to be a video picking this beautiful Abus 3455, at least trying to anyway. And then check the pick in, and tragedy struck, and the Goso is no more, so it'll be missed here. And right now it's entombed in the lock. Not be able to get it out as of yet, so we can't get the lock open. And got basically now an Abus paperweight. So that's a good reason, a good example of why you shouldn't pick locks in use. This I guess can happen, and like it's on a deadbolt or something, you can take it off and get to the back of the lock. It's really easy to fix, but with the lock like that, I can't get it open. Much more difficult. So I'll mess with that later. Right now I got this master lock 6435, or I'm sorry, 6835. This reminds me of an American 1100. I just saw it on eBay for, it was like $5, so I just impulsively kind of bought it here. And this is the Master Lock Pro Series core, pin 5. And I've always liked the American cores better as far as room to move around and stuff. I think the Master Lock one is actually more restrictive than the American one, believe it or not. Okay. It picks pretty easily though, so I don't know what kind of pins are in this, but I will find out together, shall we? Shit, out of the fucking way here. Okay, so we have a Phillips screw. And no bypass plate on this one. Okay, I do have a key, so I'm going to lock it back. And as always, it's all greasy and gross. I'm going to try an actual master lock follower. Yeah, looks like a champ then. Oh, son of a bitch. Oh, no wonder that opened up so easily. It's master pinned. No wonder. I wish I hadn't just spilled all those fuckers. But anyway, so tweezers here. I don't know what order these were in. I'll figure that out later. But actually, I probably won't figure it out later, actually, because it's master pin. Is that right? That right there is definitely a master wafer. And I either dropped one, or it was only pinned up 4. I guess we'll find out when we go up top here. So I'm going to start at the back because that's where the groove is. There it is, pin 5. So I must have dropped it. So there's what's in the top of 5. Okay, this is actually master pinned. And there's a master wafer on 5. Okay, that's just lightly serrated. Well, that explains why it opened up so damn easy anyways. And then 4 is a spool. 3 shot at, I mean, it's a spool. 2 is a spool, and a master wafer fell somewhere. And then 1. Here's a spool, and then master wafers. Okay, these are just stock master lock springs here. Alright, well I dropped one of the key pins, but it doesn't really matter because I'm going to have to repin this just to the key because I'm not going to get try to figure out the master keying on it because it's not something I personally care to do. But anyways, that's all for now on this one. I'll probably pin this back up just to the regular key and try picking it again without the master pins in it. So that'll do it for now, and we will speak to everybody later.